Hi, my name is Chef Mehdi. I'm going to show you an easy way to peel and chop an onion. First, take your onion and just trim the top and bottom off. This way it gives you a nice base to cut. It doesn't roll around. Take a chef's knife, slice right through the middle, and lay it flat. This way you have a flat surface to cut and you're not rolling around. Peel the skin right off. Taking the top and bottom off makes that really easy. And now I like to just turn the knife so that it's parallel with the onion, and keeping my fingertips behind the blade and guiding with the knuckles. I like to just slice a few slices. Each time I take a slice, I just hold it with my fingertips so that way it stays in place and doesn't fall apart. Now you want to just lay it flat and just slice it using your finger to keep the onion in place. And then we're going to rotate it, and one last slice. And you can just slice right through the end. And there you are, that's how you chop an onion.